The tragic shooting at the wake in Back Pasture, Point Hill, St. Catherine, claimed the life of 34-year-old farmer O'Neill Spencer and left 6 others injured. The wake was for the grandmother of reggae artist Christopher Martin, who has since condemned the violence. The incident, which occurred around 12:33 a.m., brought chaos to the otherwise quiet community, with residents describing the scene as pandemonium. One of the wounded individuals has been released from the hospital, while the community grapples with the senseless nature of the violence. The daughter of the deceased woman expressed her shock and disbelief, urging those involved in crime to reconsider their actions. In response to the incident, Superintendent Hopton Nicholson, commanding officer for the St. Catherine North Police, stated that event permits would now be issued on a case-by-case basis. It was also revealed that there was no permit issued for the wake. This incident highlights the growing concerns around community safety and the need for stricter regulations on public gatherings.